Hi folks, Rusty here with Creative Home Closing. We've had an issue with this sliding glass door specifically. Thought I'd go ahead and fill you in on. Being a pet owner, initially in this house, we installed a plywood insert with the doggy door for Dean here. And with having that insert in there for a couple of years, we had some security posts on the back side of the door so that nobody could open the door while the insert was in there. Well, what it ended up doing was those security posts providing pressure on the back of the door, it bent the frame. So it turns out, I did not know this, that then you go to close it and it turns out that there's a lip on the back end here. So not only does your sliding glass door lock here where the handle is, but on top of that is one further step of security. There's a lip on the back of this that is supposed to slide into the lip of the frame here. So now in order to get around that, we push in on it and then push forward, and that is able to secure the door completely. So of course, we're going to end up having to replace the door, but this is the temporary fix in the meantime until we can get that to happen. Just thought I'd share that with you. Some information I was unaware of.